Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about while activity in UiPath and how to print numbers from 1 to 100 in UiPath. So for this, I will use this assign activity and I am going to create a variable. I will use the shortcut Control K to create the variable and I will name it as count. So as I am going to print the numbers from 1 to 100, I am going to assign number 1 to this count variable. And I will use, so you can see this variable name in variables manager, and I will change its type to integer. Okay, now I will use while activity. So in the condition I will write the expression as when count less than or equals to 100, and in the body I will use write line activity to display the output. And inside this write line activity I will pass the variable name count. So the write line activity displays only the string, so I will convert this integer to string dot to string. Now I will use one more assign activity to increment the count by 1. So count is equals to count plus 1. So it will increment the count by 1. Now let's see what is going to happen to print the numbers from 1 to 100. So in the assign activity I have assigned the variable count with 1. So the condition will check whether 1 less than or equals to 100 or not. When it is true, it will print the value in write line activity in the output. Then it will, after printing the output, then it will increment the value of count by 1. For example, if 1 less than or equals to 100, then it will print the 1 after printing the value in output. So this 1 will be incremented by 1. So the value of count variable is 2 now. So again it will check whether 2 less than or equals to 100 or not. When it is true, it will print the value 2. So after printing the value 2 in output, it will increment the number by 1. So the value will be 3 in the variable count. So let's run this bot and see at the output panel. So it is printing the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so this is how to use this while activity to print the numbers from 1 to 100. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.